Hi, my name is hrzoft Thai One. I'm from Thailand. Today I would like to share you about how to open the File Explorer from the command prompt. Okay, I will show you now. In this case, I just open the command prompt and I would like to open the File Explorer. Okay, to see this folder in the GUI mode. Okay, to do that, you just type start in the command prompt and space and dot and enter. This will open the new window. This will open the File Explorer and jump into the directory that you just working. Okay, let me close this and try again. Start space dot enter. Okay, you will see the new window of File Explorer is open and it jump to the directory that I just mentioned. Okay, now we will switch to macOS. In case of macOS, how to do that? Let me close my remote. Okay, actually I use macOS and I remote to my window to show you. Okay, now I will show you how to do this on macOS. In macOS, we will call this terminal instead of command line or command prompt. You just change from start to open. In macOS, we will use open instead of start, and you do the rest similar to like a window by space dot and enter. This will open Finder and jump to the directory that you are working, and that's it. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you and thank you for watching. Bye bye.